Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a YouTube watermark in Canva. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click in the top left-hand corner on the plus icon, which says create. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says custom size. So for your YouTube watermark, you want to add in a size of 150 width by 150 height on the pixels. So then click on create new design and then your new Canva will open. So you have different options to create your watermark. If you don't have a logo for your channel, you can type watermark in and you can use some of the templates. But if you've created a YouTube channel, you should have your channel sort of like logo by now, and you can upload that on the left hand side. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to click and see if I can find my logo. And here we go. So this is my channel logo. So I'm going to use that as my watermark. So I'm going to click to add it to my design. I'm going to drag and drop it and make it a little bit larger, as big as the canvas. And then what you want to do is you want to adjust the transparency, because when you use this as a watermark on your videos, you want it to be seen but not distract from the video or overtake the video. So to do that, I'm going to click on to the watermark, and then I'm going to click on transparency at the top. Then I'm going to drag it down to anywhere between like 40 and 70, I would say. About 50 is a good one to aim for. And from there, give your watermark a name. So I'm just going to say YouTube watermark, and then you're going to download your watermark to add it to your videos. So you will need to also download it as with a transparent background. Again, this is just so only the image of your or text of your watermark will be seen, not the white background. So you will need a pro account for this. So if you haven't, go ahead and get a pro account. So I'm going to click on transparent background and then download my watermark to be used on my YouTube channel. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.